manual versus electric can openers, which is actually worth buying. Welcome to the ultimate showdown between manual and electric can openers. This comprehensive guide will settle once and for all which type deserves a spot in your kitchen drawer. Can openers might seem like a minor kitchen tool, but anyone who's struggled with a dull opener or dealt with dangerous jagged edges knows that having the right one makes a significant difference in your cooking experience. With so many options available today, from traditional manual designs to high-tech electric models, making the right choice can be confusing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which type best suits your specific needs, budget, and kitchen setup. This isn't about finding the single best can opener, it's about finding the right match for your lifestyle. Let's dive into this complete comparison to help you make an informed decision without wasting money on features you don't need. Manual can openers come in several designs, but most fall into two categories. First, the traditional wheel-style opener that clamps onto the can's rim. You squeeze the handles and turn a key to rotate the cutting wheel around the can. These have been kitchen staples for decades. Second, safety or side cut openers that cut through the side of the lid rather than the top. These create smooth edges and allow the lid to be placed back on temporarily. Manual openers require physical effort but offer simplicity, reliability, and affordability. They never need charging, have fewer parts that can break, and many are dishwasher safe. The best manual openers feature ergonomic handles, sharp cutting wheels made from high-carbon stainless steel, and smooth turning mechanisms. Electric can openers use a motorized mechanism to automatically cut around the can's rim. They come in two main styles. Countertop models stand upright and typically have a lever that clamps the can in place. Once activated, the opener rotates the can while the cutting wheel remains stationary. Handheld electric models are more compact and battery-operated. You place them on top of the can, press a button, and they rotate around the can's edge automatically. The obvious advantage is convenience. They require minimal physical effort and are ideal for people with arthritis, hand strength issues, or anyone who opens multiple cans regularly. Modern electric openers often include additional features like knife sharpeners, bottle openers, and automatic shutoff when the can is completely open. When it comes to performance, several factors come into play. Speed. Electric openers generally complete the job in 3 to 5 seconds with almost no effort. Manual openers take 10 to 15 seconds and require physical turning. Consistency. Quality electric openers provide consistent results every time. Manual openers rely on user technique and can be inconsistent for beginners. Lid edge. Traditional manual openers often create sharp, jagged edges. Electric openers and safety manual openers create smoother, safer edges. Stability. Countertop electric models excel at stability, holding the can securely. Handheld electric and manual openers require the user to stabilize the can. Can compatibility. Manual openers tend to handle a wider variety of can sizes and shapes. Some electric models struggle with very large or non-standard cans. For most standard cans, both types can perform adequately, but electric models offer clear advantages in terms of ease and consistency. Durability is where manual can openers often have a significant advantage. Quality manual openers with full metal construction can last decades with minimal maintenance. With fewer moving parts and no electrical components, there's simply less that can break or wear out. Electric openers have more complex mechanisms, motors that can burn out, and electrical components that can fail. Countertop models typically last 3 to 5 years with regular use, while handheld battery models may need replacement every 1 to 3 years. The longevity gap is closing with higher-end electric models that feature better motors and replaceable cutting wheels. But manual openers still win this category overall. For maximum durability in either category, look for models with hardened stainless steel cutting wheels and metal, rather than plastic gears. Ease of use is perhaps the most significant factor for many buyers. Electric openers excel here, requiring minimal hand strength and dexterity. They're ideal for seniors with limited hand strength, people with arthritis or hand mobility issues, those who open multiple cans daily, anyone who values convenience over other factors. Manual openers require grip strength and some coordination. However, modern ergonomic designs have improved significantly. Safety manual openers that cut from the side often require less strength than traditional top-cut models. For households with diverse users, an electric opener provides the most accessibility, allowing everyone to open cans independently regardless of strength or dexterity. Cleaning and maintenance requirements differ significantly between the two types. Many manual openers are completely dishwasher safe or can be easily hand-washed. Higher-end models often have detachable parts for thorough cleaning. They require occasional wiping and maybe a drop of food-grade oil on the gears for smooth operation. Electric openers present more challenges. Countertop models cannot be submerged in water, so cleaning requires careful wiping around the cutting mechanism. Food particles can accumulate in hard-to-reach areas. Handheld electric models are somewhat easier to clean but still have limitations. Cross-contamination is a legitimate concern, particularly when opening cans with raw meat or fish. Manual openers that allow complete disassembly offer an advantage for thorough sanitizing. For maintenance, manual openers may eventually need sharpening or replacement of the cutting wheel. Electric models typically need periodic cleaning of the gears and eventual replacement when motors wear out. The price difference between manual and electric can openers is substantial. Basic manual can openers start around $5 to $10, with premium models ranging from $15 to $25. Even the highest-end manual openers with ergonomic designs and premium materials rarely exceed $30. Basic electric countertop models start around $15 to $20, with mid-range options at $25 to $40. Premium models with additional features and better construction can cost $50 to $100. Handheld electric openers typically range from $15 to $30. When considering value, factor in longevity. A $20 manual opener might last 10+ years, while a $20 electric opener might need replacement within 2 to 3 years. This makes the lifetime cost of ownership potentially much higher for electric models. For budget-conscious shoppers, a quality mid-range manual opener often provides the best long-term value. Kitchen space is precious, and storage requirements vary significantly between these options. Manual can openers are compact, typically 6 to 8 inches long, and can easily fit in a utensil drawer. They require no counter space and can be stored alongside other kitchen tools. Countertop electric models require permanent counter space, typically with a footprint of about 5 by 6 inches. In small kitchens, this dedicated space can be a significant disadvantage. Handheld electric models offer a middle ground, being slightly larger than manual openers but still drawer storable. For apartments, RVs, or kitchens with limited counter space, manual openers provide a clear advantage. For larger kitchens where convenience is prioritized over space, a countertop electric model can be a worthwhile permanent fixture. Modern can openers of both types offer specialty features worth considering. Some manual openers include built-in bottle openers, jar lid grippers, safety cutting the side instead of top, left-handed designs, multi-tool functionality. Electric models may offer automatic shutoff, knife sharpeners, bottle and jar openers, bag cutters, pop-top can tab lifters, magnet lid lifters to prevent dropping lids into food. Safety features are particularly important. Models that create smooth edges reduce the risk of cuts. Some openers now feature lid pliers that remove the lid without requiring finger contact with sharp edges. For those with specific needs, these additional features might tip the balance in favor of one type over the other. Environmental considerations are increasingly important to many consumers. Manual can openers have a smaller environmental footprint. They require no electricity, contain fewer materials, and typically last longer, resulting in less waste over time. When they eventually wear out, metal models are more recyclable than plastic-heavy electric openers. Electric openers consume electricity, though minimal, and contain motors and electronic components that are difficult to recycle. Based on extensive testing and user reviews, here are some top performers in each category. For manual can openers, best overall, OXO, good grips, smooth edge can opener. Budget pick, swing away portable can opener. Most durable, made in USA, swing away can opener. Best ergonomic, Kuhn Rikon Auto Safety Master Opener. For electric can openers, best countertop, Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch can opener. Best handheld, Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. Budget pick, Black Plus Decker Electric Can Opener. Most versatile, Cuisinart Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Remember that individual needs vary, so consider which features matter most for your specific situation. The choice between manual and electric can openers ultimately comes down to priorities. Convenience versus durability, initial cost versus long-term value, and specific physical needs. For most households, a high-quality manual opener provides the best balance of value, durability, and functionality. However, electric openers offer unmatched convenience and accessibility that make them worth the extra cost for many users. Consider your own cooking habits, kitchen space, budget, and any special needs when making your decision. The perfect can opener is the one that works seamlessly with your lifestyle. Which type of can opener do you prefer? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical kitchen guides and honest product comparisons. Thanks for watching!